Hey everybody, long time no talk, but today I'm going to attempt my third try at giving away this beautiful 1981 Whirlpool belt drive top load washer. This is one of the nicest condition machines that I've had in quite some time, and I did a pretty thorough job of getting it almost to perfect condition. So we're going to change a little bit of the drawing rules. So it's basically the same as last time. All you have to do is be a subscriber, like the video, and leave a comment in the comment box below. The only stipulation is that when you leave your comment, you have to put the words in, "I will pick this up." Now, don't go saying "I will pick this up" in the comment box if you're not actually able and willing to pick this up. So I really want to find a winner that is actually able to come get this machine from me. If you live out of state and you want this machine, like I said in the previous drawings, I'd be happy to ship it. Just bear in mind that shipping pretty much to, let's say, Florida from Cleveland is going to be about $400. If it's going to the West Coast, it's going to be like $500 to $700. So just to give you an idea of shipping costs, I don't get a good deal on shipping. I don't ship that many appliances throughout the country. Obviously, if you can make your own better arrangements or whatever, you're welcome to do so. I just bear in mind that if you do want to enter the drawing and you're going to have it shipped, that it's going to be pretty expensive. Although still worth it for such a great condition Whirlpool washer. And that's it, guys. So it's going to be pretty simple, just like our basic giveaways that I have been doing. I feel like I got spoiled with the first washer giveaway. It was like somebody that was pretty relatively close, and it worked out pretty well. So I'm going to give this one last shot. Hopefully we could find a winner and we could keep it moving. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, I'm sorry for not posting a long time. It's been my busiest time of the year, which is summertime, and it's difficult for me to manage my time and still produce a halfway decent quality video. But I'll try my best, and I'll get some more videos up in the coming weeks. I still need to do some more wash videos on the LG top loader. I have not forgot about it, but I will get to it soon. Thanks again, and good luck to all those that enter.